Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series PHP from scratch, and we are also going to continue dealing with files, how to read and write into a file. And this is going to be part 2. So let's get started. And the last time we stopped at this level, and I said this function is called file. It basically will grab the contents of this file and place them in an array, as you can see here, and every line in the file, every line will be an array element. Okay, now I'm going to introduce a new function so let's get it here. $b equals, the name of the function is also start with file underscore, then it's going to be get. As you can see, it has here many parameters, maybe 5 parameters, but only one of them is required. Okay, the first parameter is a must, it's required, so I choose this one, and this parameter is just basically the file name, which is going to be the same here. I want to show you the difference between both of them. So okay, so the difference between these two functions, the file and get contents function, is basically this function will get the contents in a string. Okay, in a string, all the contents will be available in a string. Okay, so if I want to display this file in the browser, I can use what? Print underscore r like this one, or I use echo like this one. Yeah, basically I have to use echo, right? Not print r. So I say echo b, and let's print it. As you can see, I got the result here, and if I refresh this one here, I'm getting the result. I want you to see this one, this Douglas here. Where is him? This Douglas, I think. As you can see, Douglas here at the end of the page, right? At the end of the line, not the end of the page, at the end of the line. But when I maximize, it's not at the end of the line. So why this behavior? Let's see the source, page source, and as you can see here, every line is a line by itself in the source. Okay, in the source file, in the source page. Okay, it's every line is a line by itself, but when it comes here to the browser, it's not a line by itself. Why? Because the browser does not understand the cartridge return, it only understands the HTML break line, BR. Okay, so this is why I'm getting this result. Okay, let's go to the website since we are here, the PHP website here, file get contents. As you can see, only it will produce string, right? And this one is the only required one, which is a string also. Others are not required. Okay, others are not required, they are optional. The second one is about the include path. Okay, include path means it will get the included path, get the file even if it's in the included path. Okay, means you don't need if you have a subfolder under the root folder and you enable this include path, you don't need to type the full directory to the subfolder. It will search for that. Okay, searching including path. The other one, the other parameter, which is going to be the third parameter, context. Context is basically, okay, here's an example about it. When a browser sends a request to a website, the browser itself will identify itself. It will say to the website, okay, hello, I am Firefox, I can accept cookies, I can accept English language, okay, I can accept things like that. Okay, this is can be done using this parameter. Okay, as you can see here, I'm not going to go through this because I want just to keep it simple, but now you understand what you expect from this parameter. Okay, what I want to talk about is the last two parameters. So let's go back to NetBeans, and here I'm going to delete it again because I want NetBeans to choose for me. So I file get again, and this time I'm going to choose the last one. Okay, file get and this semicolon. Okay, file name is this one. I'll type it again, text .txt, and I don't know why NetBeans also trying to help me again. Flag here I will just say null, and this one also null. Okay, and what else here? This is the offset. Offset means I want to start reading from the second character, for example, or the first character, or character number 25, for example. So I will change this one to be 10 character, for example. Okay, and maximum length is going to be say 30 characters. Okay, and here I'm not sure why it's giving me error here. Because of this quotation. Okay, so let's run it now. As you can see, if you go down, I just got how many characters I said? 30 characters, starting from character number 10. Okay, I just want to show you something, so I will change this one to be 5, for example. Make it 3 to make it better. Okay, if you see here, start with view. Okay, if you see here the file, the original file here started with the letter V, right? So this, it counts from 0. This is what I want to say: 0, then 1, then 2, and started from 3. 3 is the V, and if you count, it's took only 30 characters, and so on. Okay, this is somehow useful, of course, if you want to get a particular part of the file. Okay, of course it's going to be useful this way, but remember, this is all string. Okay, one more point here, this also can work with internet websites. I will just copy this one, paste it again. I don't want to, and will comment this one so it's not active now. I will say here msn.com. let's see. Of course I have to use http, then www.msn.com. then let's run it. Okay, and as you see, nothing happening yet. It been hang a little bit. Okay, let's try the other one. It's coming. Okay, but as you know, it's not nice, because this browser is not advanced. If you try the same thing here, localhost, and refresh, Okay, you will okay, as you can see that I'm getting better, and I'm still in the local host. Okay, I see MSN page, but I'm still in the local host tab. And this is what this is the array here printed in one page. Okay, so it's still working also the same way as file, but all of this is considered string, not actually not an array. If now you want to get some part of this contents, okay, I can do like that. I want to comment this one, then I will say, for example, from character number 500, because it's big, very big page, and I want 300 characters. Let's see how is it. Refresh this one better, right? As you can see here, this is the result I got. Okay, so how come this only few characters? I asked for 500, right? Maybe you are asking yourself, why? Yeah, this man cheating us or what? No, look at the source, base source. I said what, 50? I'm doubting my work or what? There's something here unread. Let's start from 50 and see what's going to be. As you can see here, I'm getting better result. Okay, where is the source? What I'm doing here? What's wrong here? Oh my god. I'm sorry, I wanted to do that. I'm very sorry for that, guys. I'm very sorry. I have to kick myself like that. I want to get the MSN file. Okay, as you can see here, I only got this few characters, despite I asked for 500. And if you see the page source, okay, there are some here unread by the browser, but they are available in the all of this not available in the browser itself, but available in the source code. So don't wonder why here it looks so little. Huh? If I choose the first one, I wanted 500, and this is going to be 100. Straight out. Go here. Okay, the same also. So this is useful in what? Useful if you are you want to get a particular content of the page. You know where you are searching for. For example, you are trading stocks, or you are trading, or you want to know the codes for forex or whatever. You know, you want just to get a little bit of information. You don't want to get the whole page, so you can use this function to do this for you. Okay, get a part of the page. Okay, and I hope that was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Talk to you soon.